Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina. Happy New Year and welcome back to my tiny little channel. This is my first cleaning video of 2022 and we have a huge mess. I definitely got a slow start to the year. So in this video, I'm cleaning up a bunch of mess, as you can see, and also taking down all of my Christmas decorations. We have a ton to do, so there is a ton of cleaning motivation to be had. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.
You know, might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the...
Let's get started. So as you can see, my apartment is a complete disaster and there is a ton to clean up here in the living room, aka Ethan's playroom. So we're going to start out by just getting all the trash and random items out of the living room. We're going to clear off the couch and fluff the pillows and do all of that. Just get this area nice and clean. And as you can see on the floor right next to my feet, there are moving boxes. I was trying to hold out and keep it to myself for as long as I could, but because I film videos like this, you're going to see the boxes. So yes, we are moving very soon. So there is going to be a ton of cleaning and decluttering and just getting rid of things that we are no longer using, that don't serve us anymore. We are preparing to move. So definitely subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for all of that footage.
Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drown in our fights and whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier.
If you are an OG subscriber to my channel, you know that I started back uploading on my channel religiously or consistently when we moved into this apartment. So it's definitely bittersweet to be potentially parting ways with this place. I think I'm like 80% sure that we're moving at this point. So I'm so glad that I have those memories to look back on. So much growth has happened here in this apartment, and I mean professionally and personally, and also just on my YouTube channel. So it's definitely like, oh, I can't believe I'm leaving, but also I'm excited for the next chapter.
And the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Myself to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me.
Now we're going to get started with removing some of the Christmas decor. This is definitely an after dark cleaning situation. So I started to notice what time it was and started to kick things into high gear. And I knew that I wanted all of the Christmas decor down. The boys were not in agreement with me. They really wanted to keep the Christmas tree up a little bit longer, but I just could not take it.
Two places all at once. we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you come.
Ethan is like a little bee. He pollinates the entire apartment with toys. He picks up the toy and takes it to one room, picks up another toy. So when I'm cleaning, I just throw all of the toys in a pile right here outside of their bedroom door. Xavier was nice enough to help Ethan take all of the toys back into the toy closet and put them where they belong.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that.
Got this little bin from Target, and I immediately knew when they put it in my trunk that it was not going to be big enough. So I am going to grab a packing box and use that for the rest of it.
All the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your
down she goes.
Pressure. 'Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions.
Ethan was really upset, and this is him trying to put it back up. Oh.
Too hard. Nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just
I plan on keeping all of the boxes over here as I start to pack and get organized. So I'm just going to start by piling things over here. That little red and black thing is carrying all of my wrapping paper. I picked that up at Ross.
We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try and try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try so hard. Tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive.
I am just wiping off my December 2021 calendar, and that can probably tell you where I am right now.
Come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper.
You can also tell where I am in life based off of the state of my kitchen. I had 0 clean dishes, no clean dishes at all. I had to do these dishes in order to cook dinner for us. So if you're like me and you did not hit the ground running after the first of the month, it is okay. We are okay. Everybody moves at their own pace. And as long as you keep your goals in mind and make sure you stay consistent, you'll be good. So this is what we ended up having for dinner. We did a little bit of a taco night that is vegan ground beef, meatless beef. I don't know. And here's the aftermath. So I have to clean this up before we can move on with cleaning up the rest of the kitchen.
Make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No, no, no. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
While I'm over here, I'm just going to get the boys supplies and Chromebooks set up for virtual school.
like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
Done. I am realizing playing this back that my aftershots are not going to look the same for a really long time just because of all the packing and the boxes, and it's just not going to look completely picked up for a really long time. So I hope you guys can get the gist of what it looks after. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.